Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold, and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the apps. So at the top, almost at the top, we've got the apps, and then tap on see all 36 apps, of course 36 in my case, and now tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now we have to tap on reset up preferences, and as you can see here we've got the list of the things which our device will simply reset. So among others, disabled app notifications and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on reset apps, and basically this is it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.